Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Science Rough Book. This is me Vaibhav Valsur. So today we will continue with our part 3 of this chapter, that is matter in our surroundings. I hope you must have seen the part 1 and part 2. If you have not seen, the link is given in the description. Do watch it, that will clarify everything of the chapter, that is all the theory of the chapter. Okay, now in this video we will be covering the Celsius scale to Kelvin scale, Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, which is given in our NCERT book. Now we will include one more thing, that is Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale and Fahrenheit scale to the Celsius scale. Okay, and if you like the video, if you like the content, do subscribe the channel. The subscription button is given downside, press it, and there will be a bell icon also. Press that one also and you will be getting the notification of our next video, the first one. Okay, so let us continue with first of all, let us clarify the difference between the Fahrenheit scale, the Kelvin scale and the Celsius scale. Now first thing that you have to understand from the here, first one is Celsius scale. Why? Because in our India we are using Celsius scale as the primary scale for calculating the temperature. So we shall start from Celsius scale only. Now the lowermost point of the temperature of Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so I can consider 0 degree as the lowest most point of the temperature, and the what is the highest point is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, there can be furthermore also, but I can say the melting point is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. And how many divisions are available over here? Then I can say there are 100 parts available between 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Then comes the second one called as Kelvin scale, which is the one included in our syllabus. So second one we are having is Kelvin scale. Now in Kelvin scale it is starting from 273 Kelvin. From where it is starting? 273 Kelvin. That is the starting point, or I can say the melting point of the Kelvin scale. Okay, of the ice you can take. Okay, so for the ice the melting point is 273 Kelvin. Now how many parts are there? Then I can say again 100 parts are there. And what is the boiling point? Then 273 plus 100 is equals to 373 Kelvin. Okay, now comes the third one, Fahrenheit scale. Now in Fahrenheit scale there is a scale which is starting from 32 degree Fahrenheit. So what is the melting point over here? Melting point is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And how many divisions are there? Then I can say it is having 180 parts are there. So between 32, that is the melting point, to the boiling point there are 180 divisions, equal divisions. Okay, whereas in Kelvin and Celsius they are having only 100 divisions. Okay, so that is why 32 plus 180 is equals to 212 degree Fahrenheit. That is nothing but the boiling point of water, as it is written over here, freezing point of water and boiling point of water. I guess now it is clear to all of you. Now we shall go with the numericals, how it is being done and how the formula is being used over there. Okay, so here we are. Formula first of all, that is Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, means how to convert a Kelvin scale to a Celsius scale. Then the formula is temperature on Celsius scale is equals to temperature on Kelvin scale minus 273. Okay, means whatever is given in Kelvin, okay, whatever the temperature might be given in Kelvin, you just have to subtract 273 from that one, and that will give you the temperature in Kelvin scale. And the reverse process regarding the Celsius scale to Kelvin scale. If something is given in Celsius scale, suppose 20 degrees Celsius, then what you have to do is you have to add 273 in that one, so that it gives you the Kelvin scale. Okay, now what a trick I can use over here is I can consider this one with the stairs. Okay, this is a different trick. Okay, it may not work for all of them same way, but it is easy. Okay, consider this is the 0 degree Celsius and this is Celsius scale. Okay, and this is Kelvin scale, which is 273 Kelvin. Now if a Celsius wanted to convert itself from Celsius to Kelvin, how many steps it has to take? So I can say it has to take 273 steps. So what am I going to do? If 20 degrees Celsius is given, I am going to add 273 steps inside this one to reach the Kelvin scale. Now what is going to be the answer? 293 Kelvin. Okay, so the answer over here is this one, that is 273 Kelvin. So 20 degrees Celsius plus 273 added comes to 293 Kelvin. Okay, Now moving back to the next one, that is Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. If Kelvin is already given, then you have to subtract 273 to come back to the Celsius scale. I can say suppose Kelvin is given as 373, okay, and I wanted to convert it into degree Celsius, then what I'll be doing is minus 273, then the answer coming to be 100. So 100 degrees Celsius is going to be my answer. So what am I going to do is I'll be subtracting 273 out of whatever is given in the Kelvin scale. Okay, so this is the all about formula. Now let us get into the numericals and let's find it out how to calculate the answers. Okay, now comes the first one, that is in text. Now what do you mean by in text? Means the question which is given inside the textbook of the NCERT book. The first one, convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. First one 300 Kelvin and the second one 573 Kelvin. Now solution is there. 300 Kelvin is given. Now what am I going to do over here is temperature in Celsius scale, okay, is equals to temperature in Kelvin scale minus 273. So what am I going to do to find out the temperature in Celsius scale? So we will take out the 300 Kelvin as the first value that is given in Kelvin, and I am going to subtract 273 out of this one to find out the answer in Celsius. So whatever the things given over here is, now the value is already given in 300 Kelvin, so I'll be taking the 300 Kelvin over here and I'll be subtracting 273 out of this one, then the answer coming out to be is 27 degree Celsius. Now second one is 573 Kelvin. Now to calculate the temperature in Celsius scale, what the formula is, temperature in Celsius scale is equals to temperature in Kelvin scale minus 273. Now how much is given in Kelvin scale? It is given 573 Kelvin. So I'll keep it over here, and minus 273 gives me the answer 300 degree Celsius. Now moving towards the next one, exercise. Now comes the questions which are regarding the exercise, that is two questions are there to convert temperature to Celsius scale. First one is 293 Kelvin and the second one is 470 Kelvin. Again you have to convert from Kelvin scale to degree Celsius scale. Okay, so let us continue. Solution is given. Solution is given, that is 293 Kelvin. Now 293 Kelvin is already given and the formula is temperature in Celsius scale is equals to temperature in Kelvin scale minus 273. So temperature in Celsius Kelvin scale is 293 minus 273. I'll be doing the answer coming out to be 20 degrees Celsius. Second one 470 Kelvin. Now 470 Kelvin, you are already over here. Okay, as I have told you that you can consider this with the stairs. Okay, now what is already given, 470 Kelvin is already given and you have to reach to degree Celsius. Then you have to come downside. How much steps you have to come downside? 273. 273 steps if you are reducing, then you will be coming back to the Celsius scale. So what am I going to do? Minus 273. So 470 minus 273 is equals to 197. Okay, next one. Second question, convert the following temperature to Kelvin scale. So it is already given is, so I can consider this one as the steps are there. Okay, it is already given in temperature, so it is 25 degrees Celsius and I have to reach somewhere at the Kelvin. So how many steps I have to add? 273. So 273 steps have been added, then it will reach to the next level. Same thing happens, instead of 25, if you are having 373 degree Celsius, then you have to add again 273 steps to reach the Kelvin scale. Okay, solution 25 degrees Celsius, temperature in Kelvin scale. Here the formula will change, and what is the change in formula? That is temperature in Kelvin scale is equals to temperature in Celsius scale plus 273. So what is the temperature given in Celsius scale? 25 degrees. So 25 is written over here, plus 273 gives you 298 Kelvin. Okay, and same with the second also 373 Kelvin degree Celsius is given. So temperature in Kelvin scale is equals to temperature in Celsius scale plus 273. So 373 plus 273 is equals to 646 Kelvin. Okay, so you just have to add. Okay, so whenever you are converting from degree Celsius to Kelvin, you have to add 273, and when you are converting from Kelvin to degree Celsius, you have to subtract 273. Ultimate formula is that one. Okay, now comes the next one. Now we are moving towards the formula in which you can convert Now we are moving towards the formula in which you can convert from Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale and Fahrenheit scale to the Celsius scale. So now what is the formula over here? The formula is temperature in degree Fahrenheit is equals to temperature in degree Celsius into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, so that is the formula might be a bit tricky, but you have to remember it like this only, because that is the only way to solve this one. Okay, so do remember what's my formula over here. Temperature in degree Fahrenheit is equals to temperature in degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32, and same with the Fahrenheit scale to Celsius scale, temperature in degree Celsius. See, first thing that you have to understand over here is whenever the temperature is being asked, so here I wanted to convert the temperature to Celsius scale, then the formula starts from Celsius scale only. That is, temperature in Celsius scale is equals to temperature in Fahrenheit scale minus 32 into 5 by 9. Here it was 9 by 5, but here it is 5 by 9. Here plus 32, here comes minus 32. Here was degree Celsius, here comes degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so that is the way the whole formula changes. You can write it around 2 to 5 times in your notebook, and then it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, now let us go with the sums over here. Okay, and one more thing, if you wanted to download this file with this numericals and the solution, you can find it from our Telegram channel, that is Science Rough Book itself. Okay, it will be uploaded there only. Now moving towards the first question, 50 degrees Celsius is already given, and you have to convert this 50 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit scale. Okay, now what is my solution? Let us find it out. Solution, here we are having the first one, that is 50 degrees Celsius, and you have to convert this to Fahrenheit scale. So what is my formula? Temperature in Fahrenheit scale. What I wanted to find out is, I have to find out the temperature in Fahrenheit scale, so I'll be writing it over here. Then temperature in degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Okay, so that is my formula. What is the temperature in Celsius scale? 50 degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Then the answer is 120 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, next one, 100 degrees Celsius temperature in Fahrenheit is equals to temperature in Kelvin scale into 9 by 5 plus 32. So here what is the temperature in Celsius scale? 100 degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Answer is 212 degree Fahrenheit. Third one, 35 degrees Celsius convert to Fahrenheit, then temperature in degree Fahrenheit is equals to temperature in degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Then the answer is 35 into 9 by 5 plus 32. The answer coming out to be 95 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, moving towards the next one now. Fourth one, that is 100 degrees Celsius. Now what am I going to do is, 100 degrees Celsius I wanted to convert it to a degree Fahrenheit. So what am I going to do is, temperature in Fahrenheit is equals to temperature in degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. So then over here I am having 110 degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. The answer is 230 degree Fahrenheit. So first of all you have to take this 110, you have to multiply with 9 by 5. Okay, or otherwise you can directly take 110 into 9 upon 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. So whatever answer is equals to 22 into 9 is equals to plus 32. So whatever answer is coming over here, plus 32 you have to do. Okay, now next one, fourth one, then answer would be over here only, that is 230 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so that is what the answer is all about. Now 40 degrees Celsius temperature in Fahrenheit is equals to temperature in degree Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Now into 40, so whatever the temperature is given is 40 degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Answer is 104. Next one is, now the next one is, convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. So temperature is already given in Fahrenheit and you have to convert it into degree Celsius. So let us start with the first one, 50, 32, 140, 131 and 95. You can take any value whichever is given in your book or in your question. The answers are going to be same. Now first one, solution, 50 degree Fahrenheit you have to convert from 50. Now 50 degree Fahrenheit, so you have to convert a 50 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Now what is my formula? What am I going to find? First of all, degree Celsius is my question, I wanted to find degree Celsius. So from where I should start my formula? The temperature in degree Celsius is equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. So here we are. 50 degrees Celsius is already given, minus 32 I'll be doing, into 5 by 9 I'll be doing, then the answer is coming out to be 10 degrees Celsius. Same with the 32 degree Fahrenheit, temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9, answer is 0 degrees Celsius. Now how is it possible that it is 0 degrees Celsius? Because here temperature is given already in 32 degrees Celsius and you are subtracting 32 only, then into 5 by 9 is not possible because already it is 0 and 0 into anything is 0, then answer coming out to be 0 only. Okay, next one, 140 degree Fahrenheit. So temperature in degree Celsius is equals to temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9, answer is coming out to be 60 degrees Celsius. Okay, next one, 131 degree Fahrenheit temperature is the same formula. Here we are placing the 1, okay, that is 131 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 I'll be subtracting and then I'll be multiplying it with the 5 by 9, answer is 55 degrees Celsius. And the next one comes out to be 95 degree Fahrenheit. Now what am I going to do here? The same formula, temperature in degree Celsius is equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. So 95 minus 32 into 5 by 9, answer coming out to be 35 degree Celsius. Okay, next one, extra sums are there. Now there are some extra sums also I have given in the PDF and you can download this PDF from our Telegram channel, that is Science Rough Book, and all these values are there with the solutions are given. You do download it, okay, it will be good for your practice. So do practice and make your things very clear. So that was the end of the video. I hope you like it. If you like the content and if you like the video, subscribe to our channel and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, and the main thing is you can download the whole PDF of today's video from our, including the extra sums also, from our Telegram channel, that is Science Rough Book. Okay, so that is it. If you like the video and if you like the content, do subscribe to our channel. Red color subscription button is given downside, press it, and there will be a bell icon also, press that one also to get the notification of our next video. So that's it for today. Meeting in the next video. This is Vaibhav also signing off. Have a great day.